Hello students, here change of variables, that means by suitable substitution in the given differential equation we can find the solution of given differential equation. That means instead of x and y we are converting into in terms of r and theta. Again after solving that we are converting in terms of x and y. See one problem. Suppose the question is like this. Then take x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. Then we want x square plus y square. That's why we are taking squaring and adding these two equations. That is squaring on both sides. Here also squaring on both sides. Then adding. Then x square plus y square equal to r square taken as common. Cos square plus sin square is 1. So x square plus y square in terms of r we got. Now we will differentiate with respect to x here. So this is 2x and this is 2y into dy by dx, or else you can take 2x into dx, 2y into dy, because by dx here, otherwise you can take as uh, 2x into dx, this is 2y into dy and this is 2r into dr. Now from this we want theta, right? That's why we are taking y by x here. So what is y by x here? R sin theta by r cos theta. So tan theta equal to y by x. So we want x dy minus y dx. So for that we are taking differentiate this with respect to x. Then what will happen? U dash v plus u dash v minus u v dash. U dash means dy into v minus u into v dash by v square. V square means x square. So this is u by v form, and tan theta derivative is secant square theta into d theta. Now x dy minus y dx as what? By x square, take it into this side, then it will be like this. Now we can converting x in terms of r. X square is what? R square cos square. So substitute here. Then cos square into reciprocal of cos square is secant square. So whose product is 1. So r square into d theta. So x dy minus y dx equal to r square into d theta. So we got all these values. Then substitute instead of this all these values. So instead of x, here x dx plus y dy equal to r dr, substitute here. X dy minus y dx is r square d theta, and a of minus common here, x square plus y square is nothing but r square divided by r square. Like that we can substitute. Then simplify this, r gets cancelled here. Here r square root means r gets cancelled. Again take the r terms one side and theta terms another side. So 1 by a square minus r square, and we have the formula for 1 by a square minus x square is root of, that is sin inverse x by a. Instead of x, r here. So that's why r by a here. And integration 1 into d theta is theta plus c. Now again convert this r and theta in terms of x and y. That is what is r here? R square is x square plus y square. So r equal to root of x square plus y square, and theta equal to tan theta is y by x means theta equal to tan inverse of y by x. Now we are getting the solution. Similarly here also we are using change of variables method, that is substitute the same values and squaring and adding, then you are getting r square. Again differentiate with respect to x, same as previous problem, then we are getting x dx plus y dx value, and again from this y by x take the differentiation, then we are getting tan theta equal to y by x. After that substitute x dx plus y dy is nothing but r dr. Substitute here a square x dy minus y dx. After differentiating we are getting the value by x square plus y square is nothing but r square. So substitute all those values. Then take this by x square into this side x square. Then substitute x square equal to r square cos square. Again cos square into here cos square theta into secant square can be written as reciprocal of cos square. So gets cancelled and 1, that is r square d theta. Again substitute 3, 4, 5 in equation 1. Then after substitution r square gets cancelled. Then r's one side and theta's here a square constant into d theta. Take the integration. Integration r is r square by 2, a square into 1 into d theta is theta plus c. Again r square we are converting into x square plus y square, and theta is nothing but tan inverse y by x. Here is one important method, that is change of variable separable method. That is we are separating the variables like x terms one side and y terms one side. That means any given differential equation we are converting into this form, like f1 of x into dx plus f2 of y into dy means x terms into dx, y terms into dy. Like that we can separate these two terms. After that take the integration, then we are getting the solution of given differential equation. Let us see. For this problem first take this term into this side, then it will be minus of. Again, what we should do? X terms one side, y terms one side. So take here dx is there. So take this x term into this side. Then it will be 1 by x, 1 by 1 minus x into dx here. And take this term into this side. So minus 1 by y into 1 minus y into dy here. Take the integration. Now integration log ax plus b. Integration log ax plus b into dx is nothing but, integration 1 by ax plus b into dx is nothing but log mod ax plus b by a plus c. Here is one formula. That's why one integration 1 by ax plus b form here. It is nothing but log ax plus b means instead of a we have minus 1. So divided by a means minus 1 here. Similarly, multiply with minus, what will happen? Here y minus 1, or else you can take as it is minus here log 1 minus 1 by minus 1 here plus c. Here both are in log, that's why we are taking the constant as log c. So minus log 1 minus x, minus gets cancelled here, log 1 minus y plus log c. Take this term into this side. Then it will be plus of this. Take this term into this side, minus log c. So log a plus log b is nothing but log a into b. And instead of my c inverse, we are taking as some c1. That's again log gets cancelled. Then you are getting the solution as 1 minus x into 1 minus y equal to c or c1, which is the required general solution. So similarly, we can see the next problem. See this problem. Y minus x into dy by dx equal to a of this term. So multiply with a for both terms. Again take dy by dx terms as common. That is a minus x, take it into this side, plus x into. So a plus x into dy by dx, and take this term into this side, y minus ay square. Again take y terms into this side. Then 1 by y common here, 1 minus ay here into dy. Take these terms into this side. Then it is into dx. Here 1 by a plus x or x plus a. Now here we have two terms in the denominator. That's why we can take as partial fractions, right? A by y plus b by second term. Simple terms here. That's why a by first term plus b by second term. Now take the LCM here. A into this plus b into y. Again take the numerators equate and denominator gets cancelled. Now when you are substituting y equal to 0, then a value will come. Here we are taking 1 by a for y, then we are getting b value. So substitute y equal to 0 first. Then what will happen? Here 0. Here 0 means a equal to 1. Here take 1 by a, then this will be eliminated. 1 by a equal to 1. So b equal to a. Now substitute these two values here. Then what will happen? A is 1 by y plus a by this term into dy here. That's why dy equal to same term, and take the integrations for this. And we know that 1 by y into dy is log mod y. Here also 1 by suppose when you are taking function as 1 minus ay, what is the derivative for this? Minus a. So here derivative is on the numerator. That's why f dash x by f of x means log mod f of x. So log mod f of x. But instead of a here, only a, here we want minus a. That's why we are taking here minus a. Or else you can take a as it is, and 1 by a means log mod 1 minus a by minus a here, a gets cancelled. Integration log 1 by ax plus b is nothing but log mod ax plus b by a here. What is a here? X coefficient, that is 1. That's why no need to write here. So a gets cancelled, log y minus log of this. Take this term into this side equal to log c. Again log a minus log b is log a by b. Here both having minus symbol. That's why y divided by this term into this term here equal to log c. Log gets cancelled here. That's why you are taking, which is the required solution. Or else you can take this in numerator, this is in denominator, then 1 by c will come, which is nothing but c1 we can write here, which is equal to some c1, which is the required solution. See this simple one. Take this x square into this side, then take x square common, then we have y term separately, x term separately. So take this x term this side, y term this side. So 1 by into dy, here x square into dx. Take the integration. Again we have in the denominator e power 3x, so whose derivative is e power 3y into 3, but here there is no e power 3y. That's why we are adding and subtracting e power 3y for the numerator. Then same gets cancelled. Like 1 plus e power 3y minus e power 3y. Take this term as it is. Here integration of x square is x cube by 3. Here we can split these terms e power 3y minus 1. Here 1 minus e power 3y. Take minus common. Or else you can take 1 minus e power 3y by this term plus this second term divided by this term. Now here take minus common, then both gets cancelled, then minus 1 will come into dy. Here whose derivative is e power 3y into 3. But we have no 3 here, that's why multiplied and divided with 3. Then here is integration 1 into dy is y here. And here f dash x by f of x, that is log mod f of x. 1 by 3 take it as it is equal to c. Now take this minus 1 into this side. Take this term into this side equal to log c. Again by 3 LCM we can take, then x cube plus 3y minus log of this term equal to 3 into log c, which can be written as some c1, which is the required solution. So see this problem. In this case we cannot split we cannot separate x and y terms. It is a combination of x and y terms. That's why we cannot split. That's why what we have to do is take x plus y is some another variable like v. Then differentiate with respect to x means 1 here, dy by dx equal to dv by dx. So dy by dx we are changing in terms of v's. Again substitute all y's and x in terms of v's here in the question. Here x plus y is v, so v minus a by v minus b into dy by dx in terms of v, that is dv by dx minus 1. Here also v plus a, v plus b. Again take this term into this side, take this term into this side, then it will be v minus b by v minus a. Now minus 1 take it into this side, plus 1 take LCM for this denominator and this plus 1 into this term. Then multiply each term, first into first, first into second, second into first, second into second, like this. After that these terms will cancel. Then 2v square, here 2ab, that's why take 2 common, then v square minus ab by denominator as it is. Now v terms take it into this side, then this is in the numerator, this is in the denominator into dv, 2 into by dx take it into this side. Now it will be like this. Again what we have to do is multiply these terms. Take this as it is, take the right side as it is. Now v square minus ab as one term divided by denominator. Then from these two take v common, then b minus a will come divided by this one. Now here gets cancelled, 1 into dv. Here v square minus ab derivative is 2v. Here only v, so multiplied and divided with 2 here. And 1 into dv here, and b minus a constant take it outside, multiplied and divided with 2 here, and f dash x by f of x here, so log mod f of x, b minus a by 2 as it is. 1 into dx is x, 2 take it as it is, plus c. Then we can simplify this, v plus same terms as it is. Then substitute v equal to x plus y here, here also x plus y whole square. Then you are getting the required solution. Or you can take by 2 into this side, then it will be, take LCM of this, then take by 2 into this side, then it is 2c, which is nothing but c1. Here also we can take the variable separable method here, take cross multiplication here, okay, and here only x terms we have, here only y terms here. That's why you can take first into dx, x into dx, sin y into dy, this into dy. Now take integration for every term. This is like product of two terms, u into v, but which one you are taking as u? By using ILATE formula, logarithm first, ILATE. Logarithm, after that algebraic. So here logarithm taken as u, this is taken as v. Then integration uv formula we know, that is u integral v minus integration u dash into integration of second term into dx whole dx plus c. See, u, to take it as it is, u into integration of x is x square by 2 minus integration u dash means log x derivative is 1 by x, integration of x, that is x square by 2 into dx whole into dx plus, here integration x is x square by 2. Integration sin y means minus cos y. We have a direct formula, and here also u into v, it is algebraic and it is trigonometric. So algebraic taken as u, trigonometric taken as v. U into integration of cos y means sin y minus integration u dash means with respect to y means 1 into integration of cos y is sin y. Right? Again take the integration for this, x gets cancelled. Here 1 by 2 take it as it is. X gets cancelled means integration x means again x square by 2. Right? So x square by 2 here plus x square by 2 as it is. Here also integration of sin y is cos y. And take the remaining terms as it is. Now all numbers gets cancelled here. Then x square log x equal to y sin y plus c. So take this term into this side, then which is the required solution. So here also x plus y form. So we are taking x plus y as v. Take differentiating with respect to x. Then y in terms of v. Again substitute all those values in terms of v means v square. Here instead of this substitute here a square. Now by v square take it into this side by v square. And minus 1 take it into this side plus 1. Okay. Now take the LCM. Then take all v terms into this side. By dx take it into this side. Now here v square by means here a square is also there, adding and subtracting a square term here. Then this divided by this minus a square divided by this. This gets cancelled. 1 into dv is v. Again minus a square as it is. 1 by integration a square plus x square is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Instead of x, v is given here. Plus integration 1 means x plus c. A gets cancelled. Again substitute instead of v x plus y. Now see this problem. Here also take this term into this side, minus of will come. Again take 3 e power x divided by this term here and take tan y into this side. Right? Minus take it as it is. Secant square as it is. Now here this derivative is minus e power x. That's why we want minus here. That's why minus take here on the left side here. And integration secant square by tan y as it is. But tan y derivative is secant square y. So f dash x by f of x is log mod f of x here. And this is also f dash x by f of x. So log mod f of x. Plus instead of c we are writing log c here. 3 take it as cube. I mean power. A log m means log m power a. That's why we are taking as cube here. And log y plus log a plus log b is log a into b. Again log gets cancelled. Then these terms will come. Here is one more problem. Here x plus y term is given. Just simply taken as v. Differentiate. Then we are getting the same term. Again convert this equation in terms of v like dv by dx minus 1 here. Here v's. And take variable separable method by taking minus 1 into this side first. Next v terms into this side and this take it into this side. So take integration. In the denominator sin and cos terms are given. Then we have one formula, one method for integrations, that is sin we are taking in terms of tan, cos also we are taking in terms of tan by using the formula. Sin x formula we know that 2 tan square x by 2 by 1 plus 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Here cos x is 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2, but instead of x here v is given, that's why we are substituting v. Now take LCM as 1 plus tan square v by 2. Take this into numerator. Then it will be like this. Again this plus 1 minus tan square v by 2 here. Plus 1 into this term. So 1 plus tan square v by 2. Here these two gets cancelled. And 1 plus tan square v by 2 is nothing but secant square v by 2. Right? So here integration secant square v by 2 by 2 into 1 plus tan v by 2 into dv equal to integration 1 into dx. Now take 1 plus tan v by 2 as some t. Then what will come? Differentiating means tan x derivative secant square v by 2. But again v by 2 derivative is 1 by 2. Again v derivative is with respect to t means dv by dt equal to 1. Now 1 by 2 into secant square of this into dv equal to by dt, take it into this side. Now we want secant square v by 2. Here secant square v by 2 into dv is given. V by 2 into dv equal to by 2, take it into this side. Then it will be 2 into dt, right? By 2 into this is nothing but t here equal to, take this as it is. 2 gets cancelled. 1 by t means log t equal to x plus c. Log t means what? 1 plus tan v by 2. Again v equal to x plus y, substitute here. Then it is the required solution for this.